Hi guys! Happy Monday! So ayan, first day of school. No joke. First day of work after 4.5 months. So I'm excited. Sana walang body pain. Sana walang mangyaring di maganda. So sana smooth ang aking back to work. Dadaanan ko muna ang aking kasama sa work. Na-miss ko siya. Siya yung kasama ko nung ma-aksidente ako. Pero good thing walang nangyari sa kanya. Ayan. Uy, I miss you.
It's been so long.
It's been so long. Ayan, I'm coming back to work. Yeah, say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
I miss you. Hi guys. So ayan, nakaisang araw na ako. Unang pasok, not really one. At least, yeah, masaya ako kasi naka back to work ako. Yun lang.